My dear student, very good morning. Today's session I have to discuss is about the very fundamental and very beautiful and very important concepts in your chemistry is called mole, and it's what is meant by the concept of mole. You have to already studied in your previous session basic. There are 7 basic SI units. Clear? Mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. First information, it's a mole. What is meant by a mole? Mole is a number. Mole is a number. What is this number? Suppose this number is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. It's called as an Avogadro number, indicated as a N here. Avogadro is a great scientist. 1 mole of book. Suppose 1 mole of book is equal to how many men? How many books? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 books. The 1 mole of a books contains how many books? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 book. 1 mole of apple is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 apples. Mole andre gottagide. It's contain an Avogadro number of an atoms or molecules or ion. Total agi ನಾವು chemistry ನೋಡ್ಸಲಿ the constituent particle ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Constituent particle it may be atoms or ions or molecules. The matter is made up of compound elements, it's ionic compound, covalent compound ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? The totally the matter is made up of the constituent particles. These particles may be atoms or ions or molecules. Okay. Next, how to define a mole? Mole is an amount of substance. It contains as many particles as there in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes. Okay, this is the definition of mole. Next, 1 mole is equal to its molecular mass or molar mass is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. This is an very important equations. It's helpful both in your board exam and the competitive exam. For example, in the previous session you already studied what is meant by an atomic mass, what is meant by a molecular mass, what is meant by a molar mass. Molecular mass means the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms of elements present in a given molecules. And molar mass means the mass of 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass. Okay. Let us consider example water H2O. Hydrogen 2 into atomic mass 1 units or 1 atomic mass units. Oxygen 1 into atomic mass is 16, totally 18 gram. Okay. Suppose 1 mole of water H2O is equal to its molecular mass means 18 gram. It's contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 water molecule. That is the meaning. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಷರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ 1 ಕಿಲೋ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 1 kg ಶುಗರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಿಲೋ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು 1 mole ಆಫ್ ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ? 18 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. 1 mole of water is equal to 18 gram ಆ 18 ಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಅವೋಗ್ಯಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ 1 mole of an methane, 1 mole of an CH4 methane is equal to its molecular mass means what is the carbon? 1 into atomic mass of an carbon 12 plus hydrogen 4 into 1 4. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 gram. It's contain an Avogadro number of a methane molecules. This is the mole concept. Suppose the molecular mass of an water, you say that 18 gram per mole anta ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. Molecular mass of an water is 18 gram per mole, or the molar mass or molecular mass of an methane is equal to 16 gram per mole, means 1 mole of an water is 18 gram. 1 mole of an methane is equal to 16 gram. Suppose the mole is also expressed, ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ matter exists in 3 different states. Fourth state is called plasma, solid, liquid and gases. Solid is made up of either atoms or ions or molecules. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗ್ಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮೋಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮಾಸ್, ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋಲ್ expressed in terms of an particle 6.022 into 10 to the 4 of 23 particles. Mole is an expressed in terms of an mass ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೋಲಾರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 22.4 ಲೀಟರ್ at STP means standard temperature and pressure. Mole ಈ ಥರ mole is equal to 6.022 into 23 particles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Avogadro number of n particles, either it may be atoms or ions or molecules. Note. Next, mole is an expression in terms of an volume. It's called molar volume. What is my molar volume? The volume occupied by 1 mole of an gas at STP means at standard temperature and pressure is called molar volume. This is equal to 22.4 liter. Next, mole is an expression in terms of a mass. This mass is equal to what? Molecular mass. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ತಗೋತೀರ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸಿಂಗ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮೋಲ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅವೋಗ್ಯಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ is equal to given mass divided by molar mass or molecular mass. This is the formula to calculate the number of moles. It's very very important. Suppose for example, find the number of moles of 36 gram of water. 36 gram of water ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು moles ಇರುತ್ತೆ? What is the formula to use the number of moles indicated as small n? Number of moles of what? ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು? water, H2O. Number of moles of an water. This is equal to, what is the formula used? Given mass, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 36 gram, right? 36 gram, 36 divided by molar mass. What is the molar mass of an water? 18 gram divided by 18. This is equal to 18 1 the 18 to the 2 moles. 2 moles. Okay. 18 gram of an water is equal to 1 moles. 36 gram of n water is equal to 2 moles. The formula is equal number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Let us consider the next problem. ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Find the number of moles of atom present in 28 gram of nitrogen atom, 32 gram of sulfur atom and 14 gram of hydrogen atom. How to find out the number of moles? Number of moles indicated as a small n. What is the formula? Given mass divided by molecular mass. ಇವಾಗ given mass first nitrogen given mass is to 28. Mass molecular mass or gram atomic mass of a nitrogen 14. 14 ones are 14 twos are 2 moles. 28 gram of a nitrogen is equal to 2 moles. Clear? Next 32 gram of a sulfur atom. What is the formula? Given mass is to 32 divided by gram atomic mass of sulfur 32. 1 mole. Next 14 gram of an hydrogen atom is equal to how many moles? Mass given mass ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 14 divided by what? Gram atomic mass ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಗೆ 1 14 moles. That is the some of the example to find out the number of moles. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು what is the formula? Given mass divided by gram atomic mass or molecular mass or molar mass. Next ನೋಡಿ, suppose in your exam for 2 marks, what is or calculate the mass of 3.5 moles of carbon dioxide gas. Standard ಏನೇನು per mole? 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to how many grams of an carbon dioxide is equal to its molecular mass. What is the molecular mass of an carbon dioxide CO2? Carbon 1 into atomic mass 12 units plus oxygen 2 atomic mass 16. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram per mole. 1 mole of an carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram. 1 mole ಗೆ ನೀವು 44 gram ಆದರೆ 3.5 mole ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ you have to calculate it. 1 mole of CO2 is equal to 44 gram. 3.5 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to how many grams? Cross multiply 3.5 into 44 divided by 1. This is equal to how much? 154 gram. 1 mole of an carbon dioxide is equal to 44 gram. 3.5 mole of an carbon dioxide is equal to 154 gram. ಅವರು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೋಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 1 mole ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ is equal to its molecular mass. That is the standard equation. ಅವರು 1.5 ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 0.5, 0.1, 3.5, 4.5 ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ example, what is the mass of 0.4 mole of an oxygen gas, or sometimes it is called dioxygen. Oxygen exists as a diatomic molecules O2. Suppose first standard 1 mole of oxygen gas is equal to how many grams? Its molecular mass. What is the molecular mass of an oxygen? O 16. Atomic mass of oxygen atom O is equal to 16 units. O2 ಇದೆ 16 plus 16 32 gram for 1 mole. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ? 0.4 mole of oxygen gas is equal to how many grams? Very simple. 32 into 0.4 divided by 1. This is equal to 12.8 gram. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ 100ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ 100 parts. Percentage composition, this is also an very important, asked for 2 marks question. Find the percentage composition of an carbon and hydrogen in methane molecules. Find the percentage composition of carbon, hydrogen in benzene molecules ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಪ್ಪ CH4. What is the percentage of an carbon in methane? What is the percentage of an hydrogen in methane molecules? ನೋಡಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ in the compound divided by molar or molecular mass of compound into percentage ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. Percentage composition of element is equal to what? Mass of that element in the compound divided by molecular mass of that compound into 100. Next, move on to some examples to find out the percentage composition. Calculate the percentage composition of an hydrogen and oxygen in water, H2O. Formula ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? Percentage of hydrogen, mass of that element in the compound. Hydrogen H2 ಇದೆ, H2O, hydrogen 2 into 1 plus oxygen 1 into 16. This is the molecular mass 18 gram per mole. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, what is the percentage composition of hydrogen is equal to mass of an hydrogen in water molecules. Mass of an relative atomic mass. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? mass of an that element ಅಂದ್ರೆ relative atomic mass of an hydrogen in water. hydrogen ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2, atomic mass 1 divided by molecular mass of the compound H2 18 gram into 100. This is equal to the percentage 11.11%. That is the percentage of an hydrogen in water. Next ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? Percentage of an oxygen. How many oxygen in water molecule? 1. What is the relative atomic mass of an oxygen? 16 divided by molecular mass of an water 18 into 100. This is equal to 88.88%. The percentage of oxygen in water is 88.88%. The percentage composition of hydrogen in water is 11.11%. That is the way of an calculation in the percentage of an elements in a given compound. Okay, next move on to the second example. Let's consider the second example. Calculate the percentage composition of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen in ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol formula, molecular formula C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Next, find the percentage of an carbon, relative atomic mass of an that element divided by molecular mass into 100. Carbon ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 2 ಇದೆ. 2 into relative atomic mass of an carbon 12 divided by molecular mass of an ethyl alcohol. How to find out? Find out ಮಾಡಿ. Carbon 2 ಇದೆ, 2 into 12 plus hydrogen ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 plus 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 6 into atomic mass 1 plus oxygen ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ, 1 into 16, 2 into 12, 24 plus 6 plus 16, 30, 40, 46 gram per mole. 46 gram is the molecular mass of an ethyl alcohol. Very divided by 46 into 100. This is equal to how much? 52.17% composition of an carbon in ethyl alcohol. Percentage composition of an oxygen. Oxygen ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. into relative atomic mass 16 divided by 46 into 100. This is equal to how much? 34.78%. Next, hydrogen. 5 plus 1, 6 ಇದೆ. This is equal to 13.043%. Okay, this is the percentage composition. ನೋಡಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. ಈಥೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ I have to give the example you have to practice. So it's a very helpful for your board exam. You calculate the percentage composition of each element in the following. ಇಷ್ಟು 12 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಒಂದು, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 3 + 1 4, ಆ ಥರ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 6 + 1 7, 7 × 12, ಇದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 7 ಇದೆ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 6 ಇದೆ. ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 12, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 16, ನೈಟ್ ಸಲ್ಫರು 32 ಸಲ್ಫರ್, ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 14, ಸೋಡಿಯಂಗೆ 23. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.